Hello, Math 7. Uh, Today we're going to continue with solving two-step equations, but we're going to handle this a little bit differently, and there's going to be one additional step that we're going to have to do. In the past, if you look at our equations, you'll notice something they all have in common. For example, if I give you 2x equals 4, or 2x plus 3 equals 4, you'll notice that the equation only has one variable in it. But sometimes I have to change that. And sometimes I might give you 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals 4. Now I just changed the game because now you have two variable terms that you have to deal with. So how do we deal with an equation that has two variable terms? Well, it's simple. Take the equation 2x plus 3x plus 4 equals 24. Here, I look at each side of the equation first, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look and see, can I combine any terms together? Now, you're going to look just at each side. So you can't go on the side of the equal sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of a barrier here that says you can't cross the equal sign. So let's start with just looking at, and maybe we'll do this. So let's do this. Okay. So let's do this. Don't look at this side first. Only look at the 2x plus 3x plus 4 and ask yourself, is there anything I can combine together? And I'll notice that I can add the 2x and 3x together, which gives me 5x. Can't combine the 4 with anything, so I have 5x plus 4. Now, cover that side up. And can I do anything with the 24? And the answer is no. Oops. So we'll say equals to 24. Now, I can put that box away. And now I have the 5x plus 4 equals 24, which is an equation I can solve. So I'll start by subtracting 4 from both sides. And I get 5x, that cancels, equals 20. And then divide both sides by 5. So x is equal to 4. So all I'm doing is I'm taking it and I'm combining like terms on one side of the equation. Let's think of another one. Let's take a look at this one. 4x plus 2x minus 6 equals 36. So again, I look at the left side of the equation and I see if there's anything I could do on it. And I notice that I can combine the 4x and the 2x together. That gives me 6x. Can I combine the negative 6 with anything? Nope. And that equals 36 because there's nothing I could do about it. Now I can solve. Solve this, of course, by adding 6 to both sides. So 6x equals, because those 6's cancel out, and 36 plus 6 is 42. Divide by 6. Those cancel, so x equals 7. And that's done. What about this? 4x minus 8 plus 4 equals, 36. So now the 4x, I can't combine that with anything. It's the only variable term there, so I leave it as 4x. But negative 8 and 4 can combine together. And negative 8 and 4 is negative 4. And that equals 36. Now I can solve it. Start by adding 4 to both sides. And I get 4x equals 40. Divide both sides by 4. And I get x equals 10. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense to you. I'm going to give you a short Edulastic assignment to try, so look for that on your Google Classroom. And then tomorrow I will be available during our Zoom meeting to answer questions about solving equations where you have to combine like terms first.